Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to stop automatic app updates now. First, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and the phone is running a recent iOS build so options appear. Once done, ensure you have Wi-Fi or mobile data available for any manual installs you'll do later. Now open Settings and scroll down until you see App Store. This is where Apple keeps automatic download controls. You'll work inside that pane to change how apps update and why it matters for data and control. Inside App Store, locate automatic downloads and focus on the update switch. You'll tap the toggle to turn automatic app updates off. This prevents apps from installing without your permission and helps save battery and data. Make sure to also check the Use Mobile Data option. Turn it off if you never want updates over cellular, or leave it on if you prefer manual Wi-Fi checks. Once turned off, iPhone won't auto-install updates. You'll get update badges and can choose when to update apps manually. After toggling updates off, go back out and open the App Store to confirm apps won't auto-update. The update list will remain until you manually install them. If updates still appear, restart your iPhone to apply the setting. If the update switch is grayed out or won't save, make sure screen time restrictions aren't blocking changes and check for any MDM or configuration profiles that enforce settings. Resolving those will restore control so you can manage app updates on your schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.